Hey everybody, Cassie and Matt McBean here with Cassie and Matt Real Estate and CIR Realty. Wanted to pop on and give you a quick update about what happened with the market in June and what's happening for July. So Calgary and area saw another record-breaking month in June. It was still a very strong sellers market. We saw almost 3,200 sales in Calgary, the city of Calgary itself. And there's about 3,400 and change homes available compared to over 5,000 homes available same time last year. So quite a tight inventory situation. That's pushed the benchmark price of a home up in Calgary by about 4.4% over June of last year. For Diamond Valley, where we're from, we had 11 home sales, 15 homes for sale, and homes selling on average for about 100.7% of what they were listed at. Pretty similar to last year in terms of sales and inventory numbers, but the average price of home selling was 25% higher than last year. And so that could be a couple things there, maybe a little bit of the mix of higher priced homes selling. We've seen some homes in some of the newer subdivisions selling here recently. For Okotoks, we had 87 home sales, 60 homes in inventory, and the benchmark price was up 6.1%. Higher than last June. So homes that are showing well and are priced right, they're moving in hours in multiple offers usually if they're priced right off the hop. High River was a little bit lower sales, 30, which was below what there was last June, but there was a lot less listings as well. So we're still seeing prices in High River even up 9% over last June. For our acreage of rural buyers in the foothills, there were 30 sales and 115 properties in inventory. So everybody looks at that 115 number and goes, wow, there's a lot of acreages for sale. But of course, there's a lot of variation in product within that 115 properties for sale. So what we are seeing overall is that the acreage market is a little bit slow, taking about 52 days to make a sale in that market. But at the lower price points, around $1 million, things move very quickly. Usually within a week, you're going to have an offer on the property and have quite a few interested parties around that $1 million mark for acreages in this area, including ourselves. We've got a couple looking. So, overall, summarize the market in Calgary and area right now. The seller's market continues to persist despite, the higher interest rates, all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of buyers out looking to buy and looking for affordable products. So that means we've seen some shifts in kind of what types of products people are looking for, but it's been a very steady month. I'll let Cassie talk about what's going on for July.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us, everybody, and happy Stampede. Hopefully you guys got to watch the parade this morning, whether it was in person or on TV. It's a great show every year, so that's fantastic. With real estate, we are chugging along here. We've got a number of sellers preparing their homes for listing soon. So, if you have questions about listing and preparation tips, what to do before you list, definitely reach out. It's a great time to reach out to us before you start doing that stuff, just so that we can talk and see it and make a plan, right, for what needs to be done and what the landscape looks like for listing that property. Buyers, it's a good time if you're not pre-approved to obviously get pre-approved. Know what you're looking at and know the product types that you're okay with purchasing. And sometimes, as we've seen, a little bit of time can be saved if just a few more questions are asked and a little bit more discussion is had before we start showing you properties, right? The low inventory, there's not a ton to look at, so we just want to be specific as to what you're looking for, and we'll try our best to find it. Awesome. Have a wonderful day, guys.